Hello everyone, it's Vicky again. Today we're going to play the Kim's game, and we're going to do our Kim's game with some different animals. I've got a duck, quack quack, see there's our duck. I've got a dog, woof woof, there. I've got a, do you know what this one is? It's a chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. I've got a, do you know what this one is? It's a cow. And I've got a pig. Pig. I'm going to cover them up. And you have to close your eyes. And guess which one I'm going to take away. Right, close your eyes. That's it, nice and tight. Nice and tight. Oh, which one is missing? Do you know? I've still got the pig. Still got the dog. Still got the cow. And I've still got the duck. I wonder, which one? That's right, it's the chicken. Chicken, cluck, cluck, cluck. That's right, well done everyone. Oh, I'm going to try it again. I'm going to cover it up. Oh, where they gone? Close your eyes. That's it, close your eyes, no peeking. Oh. Which one's gone this time? It's got 4 legs. And it goes woof. I wonder. You're right. It's the dog. Woof, woof. Here's my dog. Woof, woof. Good guessing, everybody. Right, are you ready? Can you see them all? Right, are you ready? Going to close your eyes again. Ooh, going to cover it up. Let's see what one's going to go this time. What one's gone this time? Still got the chicken. Still got the dog. Still got the cow. And I've still got the duck. There was one here that was pink. That's right, it's the pig. It's the pig. There he is. It's the pig. Well done. Good guessing. Right, are you ready? Going to close your eyes again. Got to cover them up. No cheating. Ooh. Oh, get ready. What one's gone this time? Do you know? It's a big one. That's right, it's the cow. Moo. It's the cow. Moo. Oh, shall we try again? Are you ready? Cover it over. Close them eyes. No peeking. What one's gone now? It was over here, and it was yellow, and it goes quack, quack, quack. That's right, it's the duck. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, you're so good at this. Shall we try and take away 2? Yeah, are you ready? Close your eyes again then. I'm going to take 2. What 2's gone this time? Still got the chicken and the cow and the duck. I wonder, what 2 did I take away? Can you guess? That's right, we got the pig and the, what's this one? Well done, good guessing everyone. The dog! You are so good at this. Let's make sure you can see. Right, are you ready? I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to take another 2 away. What one's gone this time? Do you know? Still got the dog, still got the chicken, and I've still got the pig. Let's see if you've guessed. Let me find it in my towel. It's what's this one? The duck. Quack, quack, quack. You're right. And there's one more. What's this one? That's right, it's the cow. Well done, everybody. See you soon. Bye.